diabetes device that helps monitor as well as distribute medications.
The ways and how we can enable the industry to use the technology to enable the business processes on their side. And just like Louis mentioned about how they can grow. And
I'll figure that out eventually. As we get there, that's one of my learning curve processes. Now, I've only been with them a couple of months, so I don't have the full background spiel like Louis just went through for the company. That's one of the things I think I have to put on my to-do list to learn.